Hello everybody, welcome back to Zeva Lia with me, Zeva. How are you? How are you all doing? Each and every one of you, my subscribers, anybody who found me on the internet just now. How are you in these times of global health crisis because of the coronavirus, COVID-19? I hope you guys are all maintaining your health, strengthening your immune system, because it's really a big deal. And one of the reasons why I would like to make this video is because of my deep concern towards the scarcity of good quality hand sanitizers. I'm going to be showing you how to make a very good quality DIY hand sanitizer that is approved by, in Indonesia, it's BPOM, or it's like the FDA in the US, more or less, that also received the recipe itself from the WHO, or the World Health Organization. This is not those hand sanitizer DIYs out there that simply use alcohol, aloe vera, and also essential oil. That is also very good, but this is even better. It is really good quality. It really does work to prevent you from contracting bacteria, germs, viruses. It just really is important to make sure that your hands are clean, so whatever you touch, there will be a barrier towards yourself, so you'll be safe. The ingredients are much more meticulous, but don't worry, you can always look online for it and have it shipped to you, because nowadays it is much more important. If you do need something, if you can still buy it online and have it shipped to you, it is much more safer, so please do that. Without further ado, let's get started.
Healthy, staying moving on my solo. Fishing like the logo. Climbing a cliff like Frodo. Hope the top sweet like a Rolo. Only child, but I got my brothers tatted on me. They the ones who have it with me. When we see a bag, they the ones who grab it with me. I'ma go get what's mine. They be like way behind. Coming in hot, doing my job. You ain't gon' waste my life. On my business vibe. Cutthroats not cutting ties. I feel the stellar life just better when you come to mind. Might just go drop like 30 pounds cause I forget to eat. I don't miss a beat, I got no option, this shit all I see. Pay dues, you paying fees. Fuck race, don't need no tea. Push out the box, you a scrub, call me Mr. Clean. Yeah. Back to business, we ain't sleeping for this shit. Some be beaming, body weak, and I'm just leaking when them hits. Full of envy while they staring, and they reeking cause they pissed. Moving selfish, we ain't sharing, can't be tweaking off no bitch. Screaming beast that go dumb, I be retarded with the pics. Lines punching on target, with no shopping, be a bitch. And she taking by the fit, bacon burning so I'm crisp. Why I sell, be the smell, the sauce simple when it drip. Like the water, I need me some guala. I see me go IED, no Ivy League can't bother. Sorry mama, I don't fit in honors. Nagging me 100 times, this shit still the product, so I just wanna pop it off, jump in the whip with sevens up. Feelings like some soda, I prefer to keep it bottled up. Nobody can copy us, I put in work way too much. Go mind your business like the witness, we all knew you was. And we ain't getting younger, so let's get this fucking money. No, it's getting runny, sick of all them fools above me. It ain't funny, spend my pennies wise, counting.
I'm going to be sharing with you why I finally decided to make my very own hand sanitizers. What is the background exactly? It's just so crazy how scarce important items are now. And what really annoys me are those people who either hoard or they buy a few items that are very high in demand, and then they sell it for crazy prices. I mean, you still can afford it if you want. It's not like millions of dollars or like millions of rupiahs or anything like that. But it still annoys me to the core that there are those types of people out there that would like to milk off others' misery, like milk off this condition where people are dying, people are getting sick, you know. Anyway, enough of me ranting. So what are you waiting for? Make your very own hand sanitizer at home, and please take care, do the social distancing, and let's just pray that all this will subside and we will all go back to normal. See you in the next video. Bye!